Have you ever wanted to learn a new skill but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you already have a skill that you would love to share with others. Today, I will be sharing a website to make money off of your skills by sharing them with others. This is not the typical website where you will need to view ads for a few pennies or apps that will make you earn points and a way to rack those points before converting them to a couple of real cash. What I mean is some real ways to make money online. And by doing this, you could be making hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the next days, weeks, months, or years, even while you are sleeping. You can even start this one as an online business and leave it alone and wait as it works itself for you, and you will just be watching money come into your account. There is so much potential, so as soon as you finish watching this video, then you can start now and make real cash. So make sure to watch this video till the end so that you won't miss a single important step and really make this technique as efficient as possible and make more money than ever before. Welcome to Money Kings, where we provide new videos on how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Just a quick favor, make sure that you subscribe to Money Kings and drop this video a thumbs up, and make sure to click that notification bell to be notified every time we drop a new video and not miss out on the latest and best possible ways to earn money online. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to open your browser and head over to Skillshare.com. I am pretty sure that you have heard Skillshare before somewhere because they are so popular among online master classes. Now, what Skillshare does is they offer online classes to anyone who wants to learn almost about anything that is available on the market. Now you can see that there are numerous options. There are these kinds of knowledge that you can acquire similar to what you may learn about animation or visual design. There are lessons available for photography, music, audio, production, and many more. There are numerous courses available that individuals can select from. So go ahead and check out all the available categories. As you can see, the list is endless. Now, if people want to learn a lot of things, they can go to this website, and what they will do is sign up, and they will pay a subscription fee to access the lessons that are offered here. As you can see, if someone, for instance, wants to learn about animation, they will go to Skillshare.com and subscribe so they can access all of the unlimited videos about animation. Now, there are a lot of skilled teachers here that are giving online video lessons that will teach about their own field of expertise. You can learn here about art, cooking, writing, videography, and even self-improvement. As you can see, the list is endless. And at this point, you're most likely curious about how you're going to make money from this website. And you may be wondering what you will do if you don't have any unique abilities or anything you'd like to contribute to the website. This will work for beginners, so don't be concerned at all. What you'll do is you're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and then there will be a teaching section. And then you're going to click on the part that suggests becoming a teacher. It should take you to a website that looks just like this, and you'll be able to sign up to become a teacher. There is nothing to worry about registering as a teacher because it is absolutely free. After that, all you have to do is fill out all the necessary information, just like signing up to any other website we have talked about in this channel. After filling up all of the blanks, you can click on continue, and once you have submitted your application, you can later on start teaching and make some money. The only thing that may worry you about this is that you are going to make some videos. But later, I have a tip for you, so watch this video until the end. But for now, if you are someone who has decided to make your own videos and teach something through Skillshare, then what you will need is to add value to your videos. If you saw the other videos that are available on Skillshare.com, then you can see that there is quality in their creations. So you would want to at least make quality videos that will really help people, and the skills that you are going to teach is something that should really help people understand and learn about your field of expertise. Now, as I said earlier, if you're worried about making a video, then my tip to you is to go to renderforest.com. RenderForest is a great tool that is really helpful in editing videos and stuff. It is free to download the videos from this site, and you can re-upload them to Skillshare.com and actually make money from it, even if it is something you didn't pay for. But it is also a fantastic tool for a variety of purposes. You may design logos and other graphics, website mockups, and of course, videos. That is what we will be concentrating on today. It has a lot of video templates and alternatives from which to select, and it makes making videos so simple, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. You should be able to generate stuff that you can post on Skillshare in no time. The videos that can also be made on this site look quite professional. Thus, it's fantastic because you don't have to spend any money to produce high-quality content. Using RenderForest, you can make whiteboard animations, which is fantastic to use because a lot of people like watching whiteboard animations since it's easy to understand. Now, after you have created your video tutorials, go back to Skillshare and upload your videos and add an interesting title or description so that people will draw in and become interested with it. After that, you have to do is sleep, watch movies, go out with your friends, and you will just watch money come into your account. It's that simple. That's the beauty of passive income. So if you want to be serious about this, then you can earn hundreds of dollars daily. If this video helped you, then you can check out our other videos and we will see you there. Also, click on the subscribe button so you will always get updated on the latest and most convenient ways to earn money, even if you stay at home. Click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with others. Until we see you again, thank you for watching.